The following is a Java program to find first non-repeating character in a string. We'll use Java 25 for this because we don't have to wrap this in a class. It can save some lines on imports. Void main function. First, we'll declare a string we will test. String1 equals AABBF. Next, we'll declare a variable to store the non-repeating character. Char non-rep equals the null terminator \0. Next, the crux of this is storing the frequency of each character in the string. So for that, we'll use a hash map. Hash map that maps character to integer. Map equals new hash map that maps character to integer. Open close parens. Next, an enhanced for loop to loop through the string. We cannot loop over a Java string natively with a for each loop, so we'll need to convert it to a char array. For char c colon s1 dot to char array. For each character, if the hash map doesn't contain the character, so if not map dot contains key the character C, then map dot put the character C map to 1. Meaning if the character isn't in the hash map, now the character has a frequency of 1 in the hash map. Else, meaning the character is already in the hash map, we'll get the value, increment it by 1, then update the key value pair. Integer value equals map dot get C. Value plus equals 1. Map dot replace C and value. Outside of this loop, we'll go through the string again to find the first character that only has a frequency of 1. For char c colon s1 dot to char array, if map dot get C equals 1, then your non-rep char is C. And break out of the loop. After all of that, your non-repeating character is either the null terminator or whatever character you just figured out. So we can print the answer with io.println non-rep. If we compile and run this code, you'll see the non-repeating character in S1 is F. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.